To Docker series. As of now, you know how to run softwares inside the Docker container. Still, I want to tell one more thing, Docker, about the Tomcat. How to run your Tomcat container inside the Docker using a Docker file. Till now, we are running the commands, right? Just previously, we used some Docker file about the hello world. So what we'll do today, we'll pull through the Docker file. We'll create one Docker file. Whatever running the manual commands, everything I will make it in Docker file. Okay, let me open quickly. This is hub.docker.com. Just go for type the Tomcat. That's it. If you see Tomcat, they are releasing like so many versions. They are releasing the Tomcat. Just okay, so we will use the Tomcat 8 version. We used to do in the projects also, we used to do this one only. So what we'll do, how to run the Tomcat, we'll see. Okay, before that, I want to create a folder. Okay, ls command, just I want to create make directory Tomcat. Here what I will do, navigate, I want to create one Docker file. How to, the file name should be _file. Okay, the first command is the from command, right? How to write, you know, right? From, what I want to use, I want to use the Tomcat. I want to use Tomcat 8. Okay, you can use the maintainer. How you can do that, you can give your email id java express dot. Okay, this maintainer is deprecated. Okay, we in the last session we explained about in the MySQL label. You can use this, is a key value pair, you can use here in this way. I can give my email id java express channel @gmail.com. Okay, now I want to run the command. This is the default command. Whenever you are running the Tomcat container, you need to provide the script. Okay, this command, how you will get to know, go ahead there and check how to use the Tomcat. If you see here, this guy is saying run the default Tomcat server by using this command. Just drag here, just copy Catalina, right? Just we can type there. Okay, Catalina dot, I think if you know about the Tomcat, you will understood what I am writing the commands. Okay, you need to, if you want to run your Tomcat server, you need to run these commands also, even you while you are doing manually. Okay, okay, your Docker file is ready now. What I will do is saving. I is for the insert mode, colon _wq@. If you given exclamatory mark, the file will be save. Now I want to build my Docker image. How I can build? Docker build -t tag, you want to give the tag name. Okay, 𝐴𝑛𝑣 slash, you need to give your name, right? Tomcat underscore, you can give whatever. If you give here, it will take the latest. What I will give, I want to give the version 1. Okay, if you given the dot where the file is available. Okay, now see, from the Tomcat, it's already pulled in my local, so it is very fast. This is your maintainer, and we have, this is the container. Now how to run your Docker container? Docker, now you want to see the Docker images. Docker images, see, this is a /1 is my tag. How I can run? Docker container run. Which port number you want to expose? You want to expose any port number, 8080 colon, this is container port number, this is outside port number. And what you give, I want to give your Docker image, right? Otherwise you can give your image id also, no problem. Okay, I want to run in interactive mode, -19. Okay, see, now your Docker is started. See, your Tomcat is ready within few minutes. It is running on port number 8080. Just go ahead and type here localhost 8080. See, this is your Tomcat homepage. If you want to deploy something, just go ahead and deploy. This is the run, how you can do that. I hope you are clear for taking the softwares MySQL, Jenkins, and we went for the volumes concept, container commands, image commands. I hope for the interview purpose, these are all is more than enough. Still we have a concepts. Whenever we got the chance, we'll go for the still next on the Docker series. Okay, thank you guys.